It's a card reader. Now, recently I've been using this for my CFast, but for some reason it's been causing me issues. So I thought, well, I can't have that because it keeps slowing down. And when I'm transferring, a lot of video at 4K, it can take quite a while, especially if it keeps slowing down. So I thought, I need to find out whether it's the card reader that's causing the issue or whether it's my PC or the USB connections on my PC. So I thought, well, the best thing I can do is get a new card reader. So I bought this little baby, and hopefully he says, it works. Now this, at the time of making this video, costs about £28, and I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and buy one. So this is a CFast 2.0 card reader, USB 3.0, USB-C, CF, SD, TF, XD aluminium memory card slot. So hopefully not only will it do my CFast, which is already in there, but hopefully it will also do that camera up there that uses a TF card. So hopefully I can plug in both at the same time and transfer all the stuff from A to B fast, or if not, at least one at a time fast. So with that, let's do the unpacking and see exactly what you get for your money, and also run some tests on it. So I've run 4 transfer tests. I used a compact flash, SD card, micro SD and CFast. That uses CFast, that camera there, and that one up there uses a TF card. And you might be surprised which one was the slowest. And I'm going to show you each video, or show you each transfer in sequence from the slowest to the fastest right now. First one was compact flash, and I wasn't expecting it to be that fast anyway. I knew it was slow. It's an old compact flash as well, which I hardly ever use, but I thought I'd give it a little test just to see if it actually worked. Next we run the SD card. Now that did surprise me. I was expecting more because it actually says 170 megabits per second and didn't get nowhere near that, so that did surprise me a bit. Third one was micro SD. Now that performed a lot better, and that did surprise me. Considering the size of it, it actually performed better than the SD card, which I thought, I would have thought it would have been the other way around. Now my CFast, that didn't surprise me because I know that the transfer speeds on that are extremely fast. Now, I did do it the other way round. I did take the stuff off of my computer and put it onto the memory cards, and the transfer speeds were the same. The only thing I didn't do, because I know what the results are going to be already, is plug in loads of different devices and see how fast it runs with loads of different devices. Now, it's only got one in and out, so it's not going to be fast, and they've already done the test on that anyway. Now, one of the reasons you might not want to buy this is because it doesn't have any USB connections, so you can't plug in a USB stick into it. It has memory cards connections, but no USB connections. The only USB is on the actual connection itself, USB type C. Now, you can buy an adapter to convert this into a standard USB if you needed to. But ideally, you just want to plug that straight into your PC or your tablet or your phone or even into your laptop, whatever you need to do. Now, it gets warm, but it doesn't get hot. It stays lukewarm, and it's made of metal, and it works. Definitely gets my thumbs up. It does what it says on the tin, and the performance is about right. As always, I'll stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you like this video, or any of my videos, why not subscribe? Help me out. Subscribe, please. Alright? And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.